I'm here again to unbox another Shopee order. I'm so excited about this one. I'm super excited. It only took 1 week for this item to arrive. Yup. 1 week. I hope this works and I hope there's free gel. Okay. So this is what I ordered. This is what we call a FETAL Doppler. Alright. How to open this? Okay. So that's how it looks like. Manual. Card. And there it goes! Look big, I like it.
Nice. What gel?
Wala gel. Wala gel vlog.
Buy one good.
Here it is. Ooh. But I still don't know if this works or not since we don't have a gel on hand. I forgot to order one. How to use this? Battery? No battery. Battery. Oh! There's no battery!
Bird.
Hindi siya magamit.
You gotta purchase batteries.
Anyways, I'm happy with my order and hope this works. So I'll also, we will be documenting everything when we will be using this one, just to update you guys if this works or not. So once again, this is from Shopee, the FETAL Doppler, and we still need battery and ultrasound gel so that the sound will be really visible, just like I'm having an ultrasound. And yep, we bought this because we are already blessed with a little one, and we're already 15 weeks old. 15 weeks plus. I'm so happy. We've been asking for this, we've been praying for this for a very, very long time now, since we got married. And finally, God has given us this opportunity to become parents. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay. Goodbye. Okay, manguan po kog kamonggay. Hi guys again. So today we'll show you how we are going to use this, the FETAL Doppler. So nilagyan na namin ng battery. Yeah, ito.
AA size?
Huh?
AA.
AA, no? AA.
Double A.
This is my handsome husband. And we're gonna use a KY jelly. So na-try na namin to. Actually, it works even if you only are going to use lotion. And we use Cetaphil and Palmer's lotion, and it really works. So you don't have to worry if you don't have a KY jelly. So let's go start.
Hello guys. So ang unang gagawin is apply the Dr. Kelly lubricant jelly sa tummy.
Ay, malaki na yung tiyan.
Kahit konti lang. And then i-activate mo yung device. On.
Long press.
Long press pala. Yan.
Yan na.
So, It's time to listen to our baby.
You just really need patience, guys, to look for your baby's heartbeat.
Here. Ayun. Si baby ngayon ay 165 beats per minute yung titik ng puso niya. Ewan ko lang kung makikita niyo dyan.
This is the power up volume and or down. Naman na siya.
Ayan.
By the way, guys, my tummy is now 6 months. 6 months old. Yay! Happy ka, Daddy? Yay! That's it for today, guys. So, let's turn it off.
So, that's how you use ang tawag ito?
Fetal Doppler.
FETAL DOPPLER.
And again, this is only from SHOPEE. Don't need to spend
Thousands.
thousands of fetal Doppler if you can just buy this kind. Kasi makakatipid talaga. Alright? I
Baka
hope...
nakita, Abi.
Kira? Ay, kumikita-gita po.
Goodbye!
Bye-bye!